Yea, indeed, Socrates, and if he wants to indict me, if I do not see a fault in him, I am wrong, and the court would have much more to say to him than it does to me. To be sure, Socrates, piety is doing what I do. That is, it makes no difference to prosecute someone who is guilty of murder, sacrilege, or any similar crime, whether he is your father or mother, or whatever he may be, and not to prosecute them is impiety. And please think, Socrates, what remarkable proof I will give you of the truth of my words, proof which is I have already given to others, of the theory, I mean, that the impious should not go unpunished, whoever he may be. Do men not believe Zeus to be the greatest and most righteous of the gods? And yet they confess that he had bound his father Cronos, because he had devoured his son wickedly, and that he, too, had punished his own father, Uranus, in a nameless manner for a similar reason. And yet, when I go against my father, they are mad at me. So inconsistent are they when the gods are concerned and when I am concerned. Yes, Socrates, and others that are even more marvelous, of which the universe is unaware.